Hi, in this video, I will replace the battery of the Xiaomi Vacuum S20 robot vacuum cleaner. It is important that you need to tear off the warranty sticker to remove the battery cover, so do it at your own risk. First, turn off the device by long pressing the power button. When the indicator LEDs are off, remove the dust container. After that, turn the device upside down and remove the rotating broom. After unscrewing the two screws, the battery cover can be removed. Carefully pull the battery connector out of the socket. The vacuum cleaner has a 4-cell battery pack with a capacity of 37.5 watt-hours. When choosing a new battery, make sure that the specific vacuum cleaner model is also listed next to it. There is also a micro USB port in the socket for firmware management. If you are interested in a complete disassembly of the device, subscribe to the channel. So, plug the new battery connector into the socket and insert the battery in the orientation shown in the picture. After that, the battery cover can be screwed back on. After replacing the remaining parts, the device connects to the Wi-Fi network after turning it on, then goes into standby mode. Replacing the battery does not result in any loss of data or settings.